Hi, in front of me is Huawei P Smart 2021 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll all the way down, go into Accessibility Features and tap on one-handed mode. Click on the switcher to activate it. Then follow the instructions. So if you are using Tricky's navigation, swipe across the navigation bar. So I will do that right now. And as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you want to go back, just click on the blank area over here. If you want to turn off one-handed mode completely, tap on the switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!